The extent of Hamill's injuries varies depending on the source. Carrie Fisher obviously thought Hamill's face looked pretty messed up given what she said on the Blu-ray commentary, and even Lucas thought there was a noticeable difference. Yet, as Hamill tells it, it only required minor reconstructive surgery on his cheekbone and nose. He later said that cartilage had to be taken from his ear to reconstruct his nose though, so it's possible the change is at least slightly visible. Hamill starred in a film between the accident and Empire. Mark Hamill says explicitly he drove a BMW at the time of the incident. However, there are some rumors that he actually drove a Corvette. Those rumors may stem from the fact that Hamill starred in a movie called Corvette Summer after the accident took place. Considering Hamill shot Corvette Summer after his accident, but before he shot The Empire Strikes Back, it appears that any significant facial trauma should be quite plain in Corvette. And yet, none was. It's unlikely his appearance was affected that much to begin with. The car crash itself was somewhat of a mystery. For all the questions it raised, the accident remains hard for Hamill to recall. In his Gossip magazine interview, Hamill recounts the events leading up to the accident, speeding down a desolate highway in a sports car, but cannot be sure what actually caused the accident. He believes he was going too fast for an off-ramp and rolled the car in a field. A deleted scene would have shown Luke getting his face repaired. Despite Lucas's claims to the contrary, there is some evidence backing up Fisher's comments. In the making of Star Wars: The Empire Strikes Back, filmmakers reveal a scene in which Luke gets his face treated by a droid was shot, but later cut from the film. Lucas also admits that he knew that Hamill was going to look a little different, and he was in the first film in the commentary of The Empire Strikes Back. Lucas is consistent with his story, but it looks like there were options on hand for the final edit. Carrie Fisher claims the Wampa scene was definitely related to the accident. In the same Blu-ray commentary, however, Fisher literally states the opposite. It was a really bad accident. Miraculously, his teeth didn't shatter, but his nose did. He had to have some of his ear put into his nose. So they adjusted the film with this snow monster to right away in the movie scratch his face to account for his looks being different. And he privately told Hamill as much. George Lucas claims the Wampa scene was unrelated to the accident. George Lucas claims the Wampa scene was unrelated to the accident. It all started before anyone knew who Mark Hamill was.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.